J Huxtello iTech, your go-to channel for the latest updates on Ghana Education Service. I'm Jest, and today we're diving into an important topic: the 6 factors that change the date or month for your salary point jump each year. If you find this information useful, please subscribe and hit that notification bell for more updates. Every year, the date or month when your salary point jumps can vary, and it's crucial to understand the factors behind these changes. Let's break down these 6 factors. Firstly, it's essential to know that each salary level or scale has steps, like 15.1, 15.2, and so on. These steps change annually, but the exact month this happens can differ for each individual. Let's explore why. Factor 1 is the month of salary reactivation. If you had salary issues and your salary was reactivated in a different month, this new month becomes your effective date for the next point jump. For example, if your salary was reactivated in March, you won't get the step change in September. It will now be in March of the following year. The second factor is the change of management units. Whenever you transfer to a new unit, the month in which this change is processed becomes your new effective date for the salary step change. So, if your original date was February and you transfer in November, your new date shifts to November. Third is the correction of salary levels or points. If you were placed on the wrong scale and it gets corrected, the month of correction becomes your new effective date. So, if your scale is corrected in March, that becomes your new month for the point jump. The fourth factor involves responsibility allowances. If you're assigned a responsibility allowance and there's a delay in processing, your point jump date will reflect this delay. If your colleague gets theirs processed in June but yours in March of the following year, your new effective date will be March. The fifth factor is the retroactive effect of transfers. When you transfer and the system adjusts your records, any responsibilities you had might be removed or added, affecting your point jump date. If this happens in June, for example, June becomes your new effective date. Lastly, the sixth factor is promotion effective dates. If everyone in your promotion batch is placed on the same date, say June or July, this becomes your new point jump date. Even if you were promoted in different months, the new effective date aligns with the group placement. So, to recap, the 6 factors that affect your salary point jump date are: month of salary reactivation, change of management units, correction of salary levels or points, assignment of responsibility allowances, retroactive effects of transfers, promotion effective dates. Understanding these factors helps you anticipate changes and plan accordingly. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to J Huxtello iTech for more insights and updates. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further clarification. Bye for now and take care.